Yeah. Huh? Pass the doobie to the left hand side. How are we going to do this? Well, you finish with it after?
Yeah, just dash it if you don't want it.
Alright, sweet. Unless you want a little bit more, Lou. Yeah. It's so fucking peaceful, isn't it? Honestly, you let me know when you want to go again. Yeah. Even any weekend in Enfield, let me know.
Why would they allow this down the River Thames?
I don't think you can. But you got to pay like £40 a year for a licence to kayak in the UK. Huh? Yeah. Even if you go Wales, you have to pay in Wales. Oof. Well, that's a tall ladder. Oh, no, that's sweet. Do you want to lift that one out first, yeah? And I'm going to dead that.